Challenges. You know, the one thing that I always talk about is that as female DJs we need to uphold each other. So when I stepped into the hip hop scene, there was obviously a bit of, you know, like maybe the ground being shaken by Miss Prue a bit. So some of the female DJs were not. One actually was not quite happy with the change. So I got a bit of a cold shoulder from her, and I've always wanted female DJs to uphold each other in whatever thing that we might want to do. And for that to have happened to me at that time, it was very, you know, it was uncommon for that type of thing to happen. We always get flagged from other male DJs, and because we've been dealing with it for so long, it's like, whatever, I can deal with this thing. But when it's happening from another female's point of thing, it's just very, very cold, if I may say so. I'm just hoping one day, like, if we all meet up wherever, then things will be okay again, you know what I mean? So yeah. You know how I feel.